For millennia, esoteric traditions have spoken of Kundalini, a latent bio-spiritual energy, not just a metaphor, but a detailed system of prana, nadis, and chakras. Today, we ask, can this ancient hypothesis be explored through the lens of 21st century science? This is the domain of neurotheology, a field pioneering the study of spiritual experiences. The concept of Kundalini awakening parallels the modulation of the autonomic nervous system. The Ida and Pingala channels are seen as correlates for the parasympathetic and sympathetic systems, and their balance is key. The awakening is hypothesized to involve a powerful activation of the vagus nerve, inducing a profound parasympathetic state. Let's examine the evidence. Neuroimaging from researchers like Dr. Andrew Newberg uses SPECT scans to show decreased activity in the parietal lobe, linked to our sense of orientation in space and time. This correlates with subjective reports of non-duality and oneness. Simultaneously, fMRI studies show a quieting of the default mode network, the brain's ego circuitry responsible for self-referential thought. Its deactivation is a hallmark of transcendent states. EEG studies on advanced practitioners, notably those by Richard Davidson with Tibetan monks, reveal not just alpha and theta waves of deep meditation, but powerful, synchronized gamma wave activity. Gamma waves are associated with integrating complex information and heightened consciousness, suggesting a state of super-lucidity, not just relaxation. It's not just activity, the brain's structure can change. Research has linked these practices to increased grey matter density in the insula, the hub for interoception, the ability to feel your internal bodily state with high resolution. This provides a direct neurological basis for the intense physical sensations reported in Kundalini. Increased cortical thickness in the prefrontal cortex is also observed, indicating enhanced emotional regulation and attention. Preliminary research is exploring biochemical shifts, including changes in cortisol levels, indicating stress reduction. Increased melatonin affects circadian rhythms and intuition. There is also the controversial but intriguing hypothesis of endogenous DMT release from the pineal gland during profound states. This data points to a comprehensive psychophysiological transformation. The body isn't just relaxed, it's entering a new state of coherence. The balance of the autonomic nervous system, measured by heart rate variability, shifts from chaotic to a highly resonant pattern. This suggests the system is reorganizing itself into a more complex and efficient state of homeostasis, a process some researchers term arousal-driven neuroplastic reorganization. Kundalini is no longer confined to ancient texts. It represents a frontier in consciousness research, suggesting human beings possess a latent capacity for profound self-transformation. The convergence of ancient contemplative science and modern neuroscience is forging a new paradigm for understanding our own potential for healing, awakening, and experiencing the extraordinary. The journey inward has become the next great exploration,